Hi Virgo, welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for June 8 to June 10. Ayan, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Pwede din po kayong magtanong sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, nandun po yun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel din po yun. Ayan. So Virgo, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Virgo for June 8 to June 10, nakikita ko dito parang hindi ko napapatulan itong mga taong ito. It may be just one person or it may be, a small group of people. Parang feeling mo kinakalaban ka or pinagtutulungan ka, Virgo, no? Kumbaga sa'yo tinitrigger ka. Ganito yung mga tinatawag natin mga narcissist, no? Ito yung mga taong gagawa ng eksena to trigger you tapos hahanapan ka nila ng butas and then they will act as a victim tapos sa'yo ituturo yung sisi, no? Kumbaga, nabasa mo na, no? Yung ganon. You've been there, done that. At sabi mo dito, no? I would rather keep my silence kesa may patunayan wala naman akong, mas kilala ko ang sarili ko, mas kilala ko yung mga taong nagmamahal sa akin, no? I think for a few numbers of you, kumbaga, either may naninira sa inyo, no? Or may naninira sa'yo regarding para masira yung inyong connection or relationship. I feel like ito ay chismis about love, no? About romance. I feel like at first masaya naman eh. Kaso parang feeling ko merong isa or mangilan-ngilang tao na ikaw yung pinag-uusapan kasi ang masaya kang tao, no? You're easy to get along with. I'm also seeing you're somewhat satisfied with your life. No, wala ka nang hihingin kasi nandyan din yung relationship. You have a family of your own then, no? Um, with the Three of Wands and the Queen of Wands. Naku, parang lagi mo itong kausap. Um, one thing's for sure, may isang taong inggit at parang they're just being close to you to get an information, no? Kumbaga, wow, sobrang naman pagkamarites nito. Anong ginagawa niya sa buhay? Bakit parang feeling ko nakukuha niya lahat ng gusto niya? Gusto ko ring magkaroon ng katulad nung sa kanya, no? Meron din dito na parang kaya ako lumalapit kasi I want to see, no, kung anong galawan ni Virgo and kumbaga inaantay ko siyang mag-fail, no? I don't like this energy with the Judgment, the Five of Swords, and the Four of Cups. I think that this is going to be a personal reading for a few numbers of you and I feel like hindi ito para sa lahat ng Virgo, no? Ngayon ko masasabi na itong reading na ito is for selected Virgo, no? Kasi parang feeling ko at one point in time, mas kinakampihan nyo to, mas pabor kayo dito, mas kumbaga kalaban nyo na yung lahat, no? Except for this person, willing ka, no? To defend this person, pero at the end of the day, it might be a wrong decision kasi you found out something na, oh my God, bakit bakit ganito? Bakit of all the people, no, na um, magbe-betray sa akin, ikaw pa. No, with the Page of Wands, you discovered something that turned things around easily, no? Kumbaga, meron din ditong siguro mga information ka nakikita, it could be writings on the wall, pero hindi mo, kumbaga pipikit mata tayo before, no? To see is to believe. Ayan. No, the universe has its way for you to see what you need to see. Ang sakit lang kasi it felt like I turned my back for most people para lang sa'yo. And then, ito yung gagawin mo. Well, this is part of the learnings, probably. Pero what I'm seeing in here is don't be too harsh on yourself naman, no? Kasi nakikita ko dito parang medyo, oo, nandun na tayo, nagkamali tayo, pero you don't have to rub it in your face. What you can do here is to probably check or think of a solution rather than magmukmok tayo, no? And masyado nating i-down ang sarili natin, no? Bumawi tayo sa mga taong sabihin nating nasungitan natin, no? Inapoy natin para sa taong ito or sa mga taong ito, no? So this is your reading for now, Virgo. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below if you resonate, and hit a Z notification bell. At kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, sa kabilang channel din po yon. Kung gusto niyo pong ng dalawang reading po mula sa akin, nasa kabilang channel din po doon, no? Bye Bye Land TV. Kung meron po kayong mga tanong, dito po sa comment section, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Kung feeling nyo hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po ng video na ito, meron po dong link. All you just have to do is either to click the link or copy the link. You will be routed to my page, type in your questions, and then click submit. This is your reading. Kung gusto nyo rin pong mag-avail ng ating private reading, na check the description box, follow the instructions. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Virgo. Hello, Taurus. Welcome to your reading. This is for your June 8 to June 10, no, reading. So for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the Z notification bell. At kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At meron din po tayo doong mga readings na nire-release. So check nyo po at mag-subscribe na rin kayo. No? So kung meron po kayong, kung nakaka-relate kayo or nakaka-resonate, please comment below and hit the notification bell para ma-notify po kayo every time na tayo nagre-release ng bagong video. Ayan. I want you to know, Taurus, is that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading. You may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, Taurus, ang nakikita ko dito, parang eto na yung kasagutan, no? Parang you have a wish. It could be a wish, it could be a prayer, it could also be a demand, no? Something that you emitted or wanting to happen for the other person to give it to you, whether it is directly, indirectly, no? So, I feel like ito na yung katuparan na someone is going to say yes, someone is going to agree, someone is going to grant someone else's wishes. Kung meron dito mga separations, because there are spiritual unions in here, separations can be physical or energetic. So, ang nakikita ko dito, ito yung pagkikita muli, pag-uusap muli, no? Ito yung pagbubuo, no? Sabihin natin kung nasira man yan, kung sabihin natin nag-pause man yan, I am seeing here good camaraderie and also good, harmony with you and your person. With the Nine of Cups, the Hangman, and the Judgment. Meron dito, it could be you, it could be the other person, it doesn't matter. What I am reading here is the dynamics. So nakikita ko dito parang yung isa is before, ayaw niyang, kumbaga, meron na ditong sinabi na ayoko na, no, tapos na to. Pero siguro that was just heightened emotion. Ito yung parang sinasabi galit kasi siya kaya niya nasabi, no? Pero as time passes by, nung medyo kumalma na, no, nakita ko dito na parang I think I need to fix, no, itong relasyon naming dalawa with the Seven of Swords and the Queen of Pentacles. So, Seven of Swords, usually you guys are very afraid of the Seven of Swords. It doesn't always have to be that way, no? Kasi yung synchronicities ng mga cards and the way how it presented, sometimes it differs, the meaning of it. Katulad nito, no? Um, Probably nagsalita siya ng tapos at sinabi niya nga na ayoko na, no? Kumbaga parang naisip niya, I think I will consider it as a prank, no? Nasabi ko yun kasi nga galit ako or masyado akong nadala ng emosyon ko. Pero hindi talaga yun yung minimig ko, no? With the Empress, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Eight of Swords. So, ang nakikita ko naman dito is mas lalo kayong magiging close, no? Mas lalo kayong magkakaroon ng passionate and intimate connection to a point na halos ayaw nyo ng bitawan ang isa't isa. To a point na halos ayaw nyo ng magkalayo ulit, no? So, ang nakikita ko dito, I think that one of the issues also is being too clingy, no, sa connection. Kumbaga nasasakal na yung isa. With the Nine of Swords and the Three of Cups. So parang nawala na din kasi dito yung freedom, no, from what I am seeing. Nawala yung freedom ng individual, no. Kailangan lagi tayong magkadikit, no. Ganun yung laging sistema. So parang sabi ng isa, nawalan ako ng identity, nawala yung sense of pagiging tao ko, no? Kumbaga naging anino na lang ako nung kabila. And I think that someone here kind of, yun kasi yung medyo nagiging issues, no, Taurus, kapag nagkaroon tayo ng grasp. Now again, it could be you, it could be them na masyadong masakal, no, dito sa pag-handle ng connection. Tama lang, no? Dapat nasa tama lang yung meron siyang sariling time, meron kang sariling time, no? Kasi at the end of the day, you're still an individual, no? Meron kayong mga trip na pwedeng para sa inyo lang, no? Pwedeng pangkalahatan sa inyong dalawa, no? Pero yung nakikita ko dito nawala yon. So, I went back to who I was, no? So ginawa ko yung mga bagay na mga dating ginagawa ko, pero it feels like kulang, no? I'm missing the person and I hope that sana pag dumating yung time, no, na mag-ayos kami uli, mas medyo sana okay na meron kaming freedom, meron din kaming para sa aming dalawa lang, no, yung right amount, yung siguro ang kulang, no? Siguro masyadong nasasakal, no, whoever this is. So this is your reading at Taurus for June 8 to June 10. Tingnan natin ang zodiac sign ng person mo. It could be their sun sign or it could be a placement in their chart. So I am seeing here pwedeng kapwa Taurus, Sagittarius, Libra, Scorpio, Pisces. I'm also seeing here Virgo. I'm seeing Aries, no, Leo, Cancer. So this is your reading. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to check the options. You can ask a question, by the way, sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung feeling nyo hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, now meron po sa description box na link. It's either you have to copy the link or click the link. You'll be routed to my page or type in your questions. Follow the instructions, click submit, or if you want to avail our private reading, nasa description din po yan. So, this is your reading, Taurus, Love and Light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye. Hello, Scorpio. Welcome to your reading. So, this is for Scorpio, June the 8th to June the 10th. So, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below if you resonate. Hit the notification bell, and kung meron po kayong mga tanong, no, sa description box po, I mean sa comment section, pwede po kayong magtanong as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Okay? Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, meron po dun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audiences. At nagla-live din po tayo doon. No? So Scorpio, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Again, Scorpio for June the 8th to June the 10th. Ayan, I feel like Scorpio, parang meron tayo ditong, parang binibigyan tayo ng pag-asa, no? Binibigyan tayo ng mga senyales na, uy, pwede pa, no? Pwede pang maisalba, uy, meron pala, no? Meron palang chance na maibalik ang dati, or chance na mas mag-okay pa, no? I feel like ito yung season na nagkakaroon ka ng mga, sabihin nating, chances, no, of either reviving or actually winning. With the Eight of Wands, King of Swords, King of Wands, Knight of Wands, and the Wheel of Fortune, I told you, this is winning, especially when it comes to communication. Lalo na dito sa mga bagay na dating merong rejection, lalo na sa mga bagay na feeling natin before, no, na hindi masyadong pinapansin, wala masyadong halaga, ibinabaliwala, no? I think that this is the time for you to really say it or speak up. Nakakita rin ako dito ng communication is magiging mas maayos and more of, ito yung, katulad ng sinabi ko, ito yung season na parang para sa'yo, no? Ang mga hiling, ang mga wishes, especially lalo na dun sa mga tao, sa person natin, ito yung time na binibigyan tayo more of, sabihin nating, iga-grant, no? Almost a wish fulfillment in here. With the Queen of Cups, the King of Cups, lalo na noon, kapag tinatanong natin, no, kung mahal ba tayo ng tao, no, ng person natin, chances are, iniiba yung usapan, hindi nila masabi, or feeling mo kahit nagsasalita sila, napipilitan. Pero this time, no, ito yung season na mafe-feel mo talaga na meron ng something. Kahit na sabihin mo, ikinikip nila, kahit na sabihin mong itinatago sa'yo, no? Ito yung panahon na may mga senses na buhay, especially ito yung tinatawag nating gift mo, Scorpio, no? Lalo na yung mga secrets, no? Mararamdaman natin yan with the Moon card and the Magician. Wow. Lalo na doon sa may mga hindi pagkakaintindihan, I feel like kung meron man ditong separation, so whether it is physical or energetic, madaming katanungan, ito yung time na masasagot. Ito yung mga time na pwedeng sabihin natin, baka meron, wala na tong pag-asa kasi lagi naman kaming hindi nagpapansinan. Ay, hindi naman niya ako kasi laging kinakausap. Or lagi naman siya nagsisinungaling, up to par na nagsisinungaling siya. No? Ngayon mapapansin mo itong person mo is parang nagiging komportable siya when it comes to having conversations, especially siya 'tong nagsisimula ng mga kwento, no? Um, Doon sa may mga separations, no, nakakita ko dito na, madalas ang FaceTime, madalas ang video chat, no? Um, ang daming plano, lalo na sa mga pag-uwi ko, ang daming plano lalo na sa pagkikita natin muli, no? I think meron kang sinabi dito, isang kahilingan, isa, dalawa, no? Hindi man lahat, pero kung ano yung pinaka-importante, yun yung ibibigay ng person mo. I think that there is also surprise. Meron ditong sabihin natin na pinagkaka, um, yung nagsasave siya. No, I think this is something really valuable when it comes to monetary wise. It's a surprise that you'd probably hold, at saka at masasabi mo na, no, ay, eto na yon. Eto na yung time na um, sabihin nating nahuhulog na rin ang loob ng person ko, no? So tingnan natin ang zodiac sign, no, ng person mo, whether it is their sun sign or their a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Pisces, Taurus, Scorpio, Cancer, Leo, Aries, Virgo, no, Sagittarius. So this is your reading. Love and light. Namaste and see you po sa susunod na reading. Paalam, Scorpio. Hi Sagittarius, welcome to your reading. So this is Sagittarius for June 8 to June the 10th. Now, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button and comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate. Hit a zing notification bell kung gusto niyo pong ma-notify, no, ng every nagre-release tayo ng bagong video, no? Sagittarius, kung meron po kayong mga katanungan, pwede po kayong magtanong sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And Sagittarius, kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading, meron po tayo doon sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Nagla-live din po tayo doon, no? Saggis, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Saggis. So, ang nakikita ko dito, Sagittarius, is parang ayaw ko nang makipag-usap, no? Nawawalan ako ng ganang mag-explain. Pagod na rin ako kasi hindi rin naman ako napapakinggan. To a point na wala na tayong gana. Wala na tayong, kumbaga, hindi na tayo enthusiastic. Lalo na kapag, nagsisimula na yung person mong mag-start ng conversation. You feel like, magsisimula na naman to. Mamaya, i-trigger na naman niya ako, nakakapagod, no? Mas pipiliin ko sanang ako mag-isa, mas pipiliin kong sana ako na lang. With the Ace of Wands, the Seven of Cups, and the Three of Wands. I'm also thinking na siguro inilalayo mo yung sarili mo this time when it comes to making love, no? Doon sa pagniniig. Kasi parang feeling mo, hindi, ayokong i-fake, no? Yung aking nararamdaman. Ayoko ring, yung kumbaga, gawin yung isang bagay na hindi ko rin naman gusto so far. Hindi ako natutuwa, hindi ako nag-e-enjoy. Lalo na kapag ibibigay ko yung sarili ko, 'di ba? Especially kapag namumuo na yung galit, no? With the Tower moment, and the Five of Swords. I feel like meron ka rin gustong patunayan dito, not just because of pride. I feel like, or probably, no? Pero ang nakikita ko dito, yung mga frictions, yung mga misunderstanding, hindi talaga siya napag-uusapan. Meron talaga dito, probably this is a mirrored energy na may pinupunto ko. Ako din meron. So, hindi tayo nagtutugma at nag-aaway tayo, no? Kumbaga nagka-clash yung mga ideas natin lately. With the tower moments in here, sa ibang tarot card, no, isa lang yung nalalaglag. Pero with the traditional, I feel like this is a mirrored energy, kaya ako sinabi yung kanina. Dahil parang halos dalawa kayo, no? Either there is a competition between you, sino ang tama, sino ang mali. With the Page of Wands and the Eight of Pentacles. Pero sa'yo, with the moving on in here, yung Oracle card natin, and emotional withdrawal. So, ang nakikita natin dito ay, parang more of, kesa mag-aksaya ako ng panahon, no, na ipagduldulan yung point ko, yung sarili ko, magfo-focus na lang ako sa work, no? Meron akong mga ginagawa ngayon. I think meron ka ditong gustong simulan about social media. So you're trying to also figure out or search or research, no, yung tungkol dun sa mga feeling mo makakapag pa-divert, no, ng iyong isipan instead of mag-focus nga dito sa away ninyo. With the Knight of Pentacles and the King of Swords, may katigasan kasi din, no, ang ulo ng person mo. It feels like to me, nakatagpo ka ng isang taong ayaw magpatalo, no? I think that this person rarely say apology or sorry or hindi nga talaga. When a Knight of Cups, I'm feeling this connection requires a bit of a pause, no? Kasi kung parehas kayong hyped yung emotion, tapos parehas yung pinopoint out, no? I feel like magkakaroon talaga ng mga clashes. Kailangan dito yung isa, kahit papano, kung nakikipagsabayan yung isa, I think nasa tamang landas ka, no? Tatahimik ako, I'll do my thing, no? Kesa yung makipagsabi ako sa'yo ng, or baka may masabi kung hindi maganda, lalong sasabog, lalong hindi magiging maayos, no? Instead of me creating something that probably will trigger us to make more war, no? I think it would rather much make sense kung hahayaan kita, kung ayaw mo tumahimik, that works for you, okay. Pero ako, ayoko na ng away. Magpo-focus ako sa sarili ko, no? So Sagittarius, this is your reading. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, meron po dun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Nagla-live din po tayo doon. Pwede din po kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Check nyo po yung description box ng video na ito. Kung feeling nyo po hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot lang, meron pong form, no? Click the link or copy the link. You'll be routed to my page. Type in your questions, click submit, no? If you want to book a private reading, nasa description box din po yan. Tignan natin ang zodiac sign, no, ng person mo. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Pisces, Taurus, I'm seeing Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, no? Scorpio, Sagittarius, yeah, I mentioned Sagittarius. Yeah, that is your reading. So, thank you so much. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Saggies. Hi, Pisces. Welcome to your reading. So, this is for June 8th to June 10th, no? Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, meron po tayong kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience, no? So na may mga readings din po tayo doon every day. So you might want to check and subscribe to the channel as well. Mag-comment po kayo kung kayo nakaka-resonate or kung meron kayo mga tanong, ano? As long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Ayan. So, Pisces, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Pisces for June 8 to June 10. So, ang nakikita ko dito, parang nakikita mo na yung sinasabi nating pag-asa. Nakikita mo na yung parang, oy, I'm winning, no? Winning not just sa connection ninyo, winning because of, kumbaga, your person's also giving you a lot of, kumbaga, power as of the moment. So nakikita mo yung parang they care about too much, no? Not to a point na nakakainis yung too much, no? Yung parang nakikita mo lang na may extra, no? Especially when it comes to yung mga kakabati pa lang, no? Yung mga kakaayos pa lang ng relationship. I feel like this connection is going to be a lot stronger for those who just went back together, no? Um, and for those who are still in separation, whether it is physical or energetic, no? Alam mo na hindi ito yung katapusan, no, ng relationship. Alam mo na hindi ito yung ending. Kasi uh, somewhat may mga signs or meron ka pang napapansin na yung person ko is hindi pa siya totally either na move on or ibinibigay, no, yung totoong, kumbaga, tinatapon itong relationship. Somewhat for a few numbers of you, there's still some connection or communication, if I may say. Hindi nga lang ganun kadalas. I feel like you are both waiting for each other. Kumbaga, sino sa atin yung magpapakumbaba, no? Kumbaga, kahit meron ditong away, meron ditong sinasabi natin na, confident ako na magkakabalikan kami. Ang ang nagiging issue lang dito, sino ang mauuna, no? Sino ang mag-i-initiate ng conversation? Sino ang mag-i-initiate ng halika na, no, okay na, tapusin na natin ang away. Alam mo na magkakabalikan. I think, no, with all of these three of wands and the two of wands doon sa magkabilang dulo, both of you are observing each other's energy, no? Hindi ko sinasabing nagpapataasan ng ihi, pero nag-aantayan, sabihin natin, nag-aantayan. Sige na, ikaw na kasi mauna. Lalo na, actually, may naalala akong ganitong situation eh. Yung iba kahit hindi naman nagkakaroon ng away, no? Alam mo yung dun sa phone, sige na, baba mo na. Hindi na, ikaw na. Ikaw na mauna. Ikaw na mauna. Yung parang ganon. Ganon yung energy. Where's the Chariot, the Four of Wands, and the Seven of Pentacles. So I feel like meron ditong nagpa-plan. Either can we move out? So for those of you in cohabitation, siguro yung mga nag-live-in gusto nang lumipat ng bahay. Yung iba naman nag-aantay na kailan mo ba ako yayayain, no, na magsama na tayo to a point of kasal, no? With the Strength card and the Knight of Pentacles. So nandito tayo sa part na sinasabi natin, I'm staying. Hindi man siya umuusad, but I have a strong belief na itong connection na ito, dadating din yung time para sa amin, no? It might not be now, it might not be soon, pero hindi na ako hahanap ng iba, no? Kumbaga, someone is also tell themselves, no, na secure na ako dito. kahit medyo, wala namang perfect relationship, kahit medyo may konting tampuhan, I would rather stay. Alam mo yung kantang um, incomplete, no? Parang ganon. Ah, yung I'd rather pala yun, sorry, I'd rather. I'd rather had bad times with you than to blah blah with someone else. Yun, yung ganun yung mas pipiliin kita, no? Kesa magkahiwalay tayo. Ayan. So this is your reading, Pisces. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, meron po tayo doon sa kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. Ngayon po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, nasa kabilang channel din po yun. May mga video din, may mga videos din po tayo. No? Kung meron po kayong mga katanungan, might as well comment po sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, no? Meron pong form sa description box ng video na ito, no? Yung form po, it's either you have to click the link or copy the link, you will be routed to my page. Nandun po yung instructions, pakibasa pong mabuti, no? And we have a promotion of 4 questions plus 1. So, take advantage of it. Discounted price po yun, no? So, that is your if you also want to avail our uh, private reading, no, nandun po yan sa description box. So this is your reading, love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye. Hi Libra, welcome to your reading, and this is for Libra June the 8th to June the 10th. And for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate. Hit the notification bell para po ma-notify kayo every time na tayo po'y gumagawa ng bagong video. And kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, meron po din sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Now, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At nagla-live natin po tayo doon. Kung gusto niyo sumali, by all means, no? You're welcome. Kung hindi niyo po maabutan, pwede po kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So Libra, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Alright, so ang nakikita ko dito Libra is parang mas pipiliin mo munang bagalan, no? Bagalan itong takbo ng either relasyon or huwag mo nang magmadali, no? Dito sa relasyon na ito, madami kang priorities, no? Kumbaga sa'yo, mahal kita, oo, no? Kung kumbaga, kaya mong sabihin sa person na mahal kita, pero yung pagmamadali, either yung cohabitation, no? O yung living in together, proposal or marriage, pwede siguro makapag-antay. Siguro proposal, oo, kasi pwede naman natin pagplanuhan. Pero yung marriage, I think, or building a family, I think it's much better to set us aside. Not only for me, but also for you. No? I think na meron din ditong, for a few numbers of you, yung mga nag, um, meron ng choice, no? Yung nakapagsimula na. I think you're missing your person. And I feel like kahit naman merong separations dito or yung distance, no? Ang nakikita ko is you're dedicating, no? This separation for your person. Kumbaga, nag-iipon ako masyado. You know what? Sandali lang naman to. And I want you to know that itong ginagawa ko is para sa atin, no? With the chariot in here, so meron ng distance dito, pwedeng yung isa kakaalis pa lang, no? I feel like pwedeng ibang bansa, pwede rin dito lang din, no? Meron tong mga bagay na hindi masabi. I feel like may part dito na nakakaiyak, may part dito na parang hindi ko mawari kung saan nanggagaling yung lalim, 'no? Especially doon, I feel like especially nung nasa airport nga 'no, with the full card kailangan kong gawin ang mga bagay with the King of Cups. Hindi niyo lang alam kung ano yung mga sakripisyo, hindi niyo lang alam kung ano yung ginagawa ko dito para makaipon 'no. I think na natiyana-tiyani yung mga bagay-bagay, yung pera 'no, nagtitipid masyado sa pagkain 'no. I am not patronizing but I cannot also, say that's wrong 'no. That works for them, wala tayong ano 'no, wala tayong say dito to judge 'no. We're not in the position, but with the Queen of Cups, you know what, kasi sometimes you really have to treat yourself 'no, especially kayo yung kumikita. So, with the Queen of Cups, the Ten of Cups, I feel like minsan naiisip mo, mahal ba ako ng mga taong nakapaligid sa'kin 'no? Kasi, um, bakit parang pakiwari ko tagabigay lang ako, ayun. I feel like hindi naman sa with the Five of Swords, hindi naman sa, um, ayokong gawin. Actually, ito yung gusto kong gawin, makatulong, you know, mag-provide. Pero hanggang saan, hanggang kailan with the Ace of Pentacles, eto nga yung pagpo-provide natin 'no. Pero you're also searching for ways on how, um, you know, makakita man lang din ng happiness, when it comes to those that I am sharing 'no. Probably I need to see either a house 'no, na eto yung pinagpaguran mo 'no, napatayo natin or a small business 'no, or para diyan na lang tayo, sama-sama tayo. With the Temperance and the Tower moment, I feel like hindi ka pa puwedeng umuwi. There is still a lot of time that you need to spend somewhere else. Pero matatapos din naman 'to. I think that this is homesick. Um, what I am seeing in here is now homesick si Libra, 'no? It doesn't matter kung nasa abroad or nasa kabilang kanto lang 'no, hindi natin maaano ang emotion. So, homesick is homesick. So, this is your reading. Let me know kung kayo nakaka-resonate. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Sagittarius, Pisces, Taurus, I'm seeing Scorpio, Cancer, Aries, Capricorn, no? And chances are yun po ang akin nakikita. So this is your reading for now. Again, Libra, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin sa kabilang channel po yun, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Magla-live din po tayo doon. Kung di nyo maabutan, pwede po kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So again, this is your reading. Love and light. Namaste. See you sa susunod na live or susunod na reading. Goodbye. Hi Leo, welcome to your reading. So this is for June 8 to June 10. No, Leo? Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit a notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, mag-subscribe po kayo dun sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So, nagla-live din po tayo doon. Pwede po kayong sumali sa live. You're very much welcome, no? Pero kung hindi nyo po matsyempohan, pwede po kayong magtanong sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. By all means po, no? Magtanong po tayo. Ayan. So, Leo, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's solely yours. So, Leo, for June the 8th to June the 10th, wow, nakikita ko dito parang magkikita na kayo uli, no? Magkakausap na kayo uli, magsasama na kayo uli. Whether meron kayong separations, wala. I feel like the separation here is distance, no? Pero yung separation ng away, kung wala naman, magkikita din kayo. Pero kung meron, ang nakikita ko dito, mag-uusap muna kayo. It felt like nami-miss nyo na ang isa't isa, no? Nami-miss na nila. Ang tindi ng energy dito na parang, um, I think meron ditong either monthsary, anniversary, no? Kailangan meron ako magandang regalo, meron ako magandang idea, no? Or meron din dito nagre-reminisce about thinking of their exes. With the Knight of Swords, gustong bumalik, no? Kasi parang, bakit para siyang nasasaktan, no? Yung person mo nasasaktan kasi alam niya na may mali siyang ginawa. Or alam niya na hindi ko pala kayang mabuhay, no? Nang wala si Leo sa tabi ko. With the Ace of Cups, feeling ko dito na pagtanto-tanto niya na, no? Na um, itong buhay na ito is hindi siya ganun ka-colorful, hindi siya ganun ka-exciting kapag wala ka sa tabi niya, no? Ngayon niya na-realize yung emotion, yung panghihinayang, yung sabihin natin, hindi ko naman inakala na ganito ko pala kamahal si Leo, no? Kaya nga sabi natin minsan ang separations nagiging blessings siya, no? For us to realize how valuable the person is with the Knight of Cups and the Seven of Wands. I feel like pinagtatanong-tanong ka nitong person mo, no? Sa mga pwedeng mutual friends, pwede itong sa mga may or gumawa siya ng dummy account, no? Tinitignan niya yung social media mo. With a page of, I just mentioned, no? I think kung hindi siya yung nagme-message sa inyo, I think meron itong dummy account na nagkukunwari, no? Siguro tinetest niya na, ay baka naman um, nakikipaglandian na, no? Si Leo sa iba, so i-test ko nga, baka mamaya, yung kumbaga, huhulihin ko siya kung totoong nag-move on na siya, no? With the High Priestess kaso, hindi naman niya, hindi kanya mahuli kasi alam mo yung galawan nitong person mo. I think alam mo na may nakikipag-usap sa iyo na yun yung person mo. No, aminin mo yan. With the Emperor in here and the Three of Pentacles. Ang maganda kasi sa Emperor, no? Emperor is a very tactical suit, no? Especially katabi niya yung Three of Pentacles kasi parang napag-aralan niya. Meron siya mga ideas dito na, okay, magtatanga-tangahan ako, no? And actually, that's a wise decision that the emperor can do. Magtatanga-tangahan ako, kunyari hindi ko alam, no? Pero alam mo na ang kausap mo ay yung person mo or yung tumatawag sa'yo ng unknown numbers or yung sabihin natin mga text messages na iba yung mga numbers, no? Alam mo na meron kang kutob, no? Na person, si ano to, yung person ko, no? I think yung person mo dito is talagang naguguluhan na, no? Kaya gumagawa siya ng mga bagay-bagay na mga kakaiba na hindi niya ginagawa para lang maka-reach out sa'yo, mapapakinggan yung boses mo, no? Or sabihin natin makita lang, no? Yung mga ginagawa mo. If ever naka-block siya, gumawa siya ng dummy account. Siyempre alam niya kapag siya uli, no? Alam niyang i-block mo siya uli. So, gagawa siya ng ibang dummy account, no? So, this is your reading for now, Leo. tignan natin ang zodiac sign ng person mo. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So I'm seeing Taurus, I'm seeing Aries, I'm seeing Leo, Pisces, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, um, yeah, all the earth signs and water signs are complete in here, no? So this is your reading, Leo. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, hit the notification bell, at kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, meron po dun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live din po tayo dyan. Pwede kayo magtanong sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Pwede nyo rin pong i-check ang description box kung gusto po ninyo ng um, mini reading, no? Meron po tayong form doon, no? And if you want to avail ang ating private reading, nasa description box din po yan. So love and light to you. Namaste. See you on the next live or the next reading. Goodbye, Leo. Hello, Gemini. Welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for Gemini June 8 to June 10, no? Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, meron po dun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV, no? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At nagla-live din po tayo doon, no? So Gemini, para po sa mga gusto sumali sa ating live sessions, you're very much welcome. At kung meron po kayong mga katanungan, pwede pong magtanong sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So Gemini, I wanted to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. No, Gemini, simulan na natin. For June 8 to June the 10th. So parang papunta na tayo sa isang seryosong relasyon. Gemini, mas papunta na tayo sa parang seryoso and challenging, and to a point na parang papunta na tayo sa cohabitation, proposal, or marriage. So which means na parang nandito na tayo sa kailangan na natin magpaalam, no, sa ating pagiging buhay binata, buhay dalaga, no, yung ganyan. Kasi either pabuo na tayo ng family, nararamdaman nyo na, nakikita nyo na, kumbaga um, sa, sa, sa vision ninyo, no, nakikita nyo na parang, ay, doon nga kami papunta. Ay, um, medyo nag-iiba yung takbo ng hangin. With the 5 of, kung dati nanghihinayang tayo, no? Sa mga bagay na siguro madami din tayong mga sacrifices or opportunities na sabihin natin binitawan para sa relasyon na to. I think it's all worth it naman, no? Sa ngayon, medyo ang pinanghihinayangan natin yung paano yan wala kaming savings, or paano yan yung savings namin ay mababawasan. Hindi pa man siya ganun kakumpleto, hindi pa man siya ganun ka fulfilling, no? Hindi pa man siya ganun ka buo. Parang natatakot ako sa mga bagay na pwedeng naming harapin. Pero at the same time, gusto ko ring mangyari, no? With the 3 of Wands and the Sun and the Ace of Wands, I feel like for a few numbers of you, I think either hindi natin inaasahan ito ngayon, baka meron sa inyong buntis, about to deliver or kaka-deliver lang ng child. Tapos ngayon parang medyo ano tayo ha, medyo tumatagilid. Lately, ang challenges lang dito, Gemini, are finances. Pero when it comes to love, talaga ba? Nakikita ko with the 5 of Cups, talaga ba nanghihinayang tayo? or nangihinayang tayo sa mga pinakawalan natin? Hold on. With the Queen of Pentacles, so ang iniisip mo sana kung mas inuna ko yon in a progressive life ako ngayon. Um, so, mas sana inuna mo yung priorities of either education or priorities of uh, having a greener pasture somewhere with a Queen of Swords. Pero at least hindi ito natatapos. Kumbaga, hindi mo tinuldukan. Maybe for now, kasi nga medyo bago itong sitwasyon. Pero feeling mo, aalis ka rin ng bansa or aalis or lilipat ka ng company. I'm seeing here the Five of Pentacles. Why? Um, I think this might be a very personal reading, no? Para sa Gemini natin. Again, I want you to know that this is not maybe for everyone. I think na kahit maliit pa itong bagets na dineliver natin, I feel like mahal kita kaya gagawin ko to. I think yung pag-iiwan, no, pang-iiwan mo, it's not because of tumakas, no? Kailangan kong tumakas sa responsibilidad bilang isang, magulang, no. Meron lang ako isasakripisyo and that is me distancing myself from the people that I love. Pero with the full card, I feel like mahirap din para sa akin to, no? I just need to take my courage, have a courage, and probably, want to pursue something. And I am dedicating all of this abundance that I am getting or I'm about to get, no, para sa inyo. So, this is your reading for now, Gemini. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. I am seeing Aries, I'm seeing Pisces, Leo, Taurus, Sagittarius, Virgo. I'm seeing Scorpio, Capricorn. I am seeing, did I just mention Sagittarius? Yes. Leo is here, so this is your reading, Love and Light. And again, by the way, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading, meron din po yan sa kabilang channel, no? Nagla-live po tayo doon. Pwede po kayong mag-join sa live sessions or magtanong sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Kung gusto niyo po mag-avail ng ating private reading, nasa description box po yan. So love and light. Namaste. See you sa susunod na reading or next live. Goodbye. Hi Capricorn, welcome po sa inyong reading. This reading is for June 8 to June 10. Ayan, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, meron po dun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. May mga reading din po tayo doon, nagla-live din po tayo doon. No? So, kung meron po kayo mga katanungan, you can ask a question sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So, Capricorn, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, Capricorn, for June 8 to June 10, no? Parang meron tayong hindi inaasahang pangyayari, no, dito. Huwag nating labanan, huwag nating pigilan, no. I feel like kung hindi nyo naman gusto ito, much better na gumamit tayo ng mga precautionary methods, no, to prevent this. What I am talking about is pregnancy. Ayan. It felt like this is the time, no, wag nating sisihin. I think that this is the time that you are going to conceive. There's something in here na pwedeng, hindi natin plinano. Yun nga yung sabi ko. Pero ito ay ibinigay sa atin, no? With the Knight of Wands, the Ace of Swords, the Six of Wands. Well, for a few numbers of you, medyo gusto nyo naman yung nangyari sa iba. Kaya nga, few numbers, no? Yung iba naman, yun talaga hindi inasahan. Yung ibang kasi, this is an answered prayer. Um, they might be waiting for this. So, nandito yung parang at last, nandito na siya, no? For a few numbers with the Hangman and the Ten of Swords. Naku, huwag nating iisipin ito. Kasi nakikita ko na baka you might consider abortion. No, don't. What I am seeing in here is there might be some, something. The reason why you had the child, you think that it might not be the right time, the right place, but we will never know up until that exact time and the reason happen. With the Moon card, the King of Wands, and the Sun. So what I am seeing in here is there might be a lot of questions, and I'm very, very sure that it has something to do with a pregnancy. The King of Wands. So, ang ayoko lang dito is, kumbaga, i-question ka pa, no? Nung person mo, is that ako ba yan? No? Um, or probably hindi man ito directly sasabihin, maiisip niya, especially with the hangman. Sa akin ba to talaga? Ako naman, no? Um, ayoko lang yung part dito na parang sasabihin niya na anong akala niya, no? Na ah, pokpok tayo yung ganyan. No, with the Ten of Wands and the Seven of Pentacles. Well, I think for a few numbers of you, siguro, ito yung time na merong rejections before, no? Um, merong mga pagtanggi, pero nakikita ko dito, there is a realization here of as time passed by, no? Ay, oo nga, no? Um, that's mine. Sa akin galing yan. And I think that there will be a time of parang embrace, no? Embracing the fact that something really happened, that something is meant to happen. The Moon card is clarified by the Magician and the Ace of Pentacles. So nakikita ko dito, if for those of you who's actually waiting for, sabihin natin, uh, yung support, no, financial support, no, pagdating din sa mga bata, no, child support, no, ibibigay din. The Two of Swords and the Eight of Cups. So what I'm also seeing in here is I feel like ikaw naman ngayon ang tatanggi, no? Kaya ko to, kaya ko to. Hindi ka namin kailangan, especially for those who are in separation. Um, Hindi ko naman sinasabi nagpapataasan ng ihi, no? Pero more of, ang nakikita ko dito, ah, na kaya naman namin, no? Thank you kung tatanggapin mo. I think that's enough, no? Pero kung iniisip mo na the reason why I'm here or we are here just to get money from you, no. It's more than finances. It's the acceptance, no, of my child, no, to know his or her father, no. So this is what I'm reading. Napakaseryoso naman ito, Capricorn. I think that this is also a personal reading for someone, no. This reading might not be for all, but tingnan natin ang zodiac sign ng person mo or ng mga taong involved. It could also be your child. I'm seeing Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, no? I'm seeing Capricorn, pwede kapwa Capricorn ito, Leo, um, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries. Yeah, so this is your reading, Capricorn. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel po yun. Kung gusto niyo sumali sa, or i-check no, yung ibang readings sa Babaylan TV po. Kung meron kayong mga katanungan, pwede po kayong magtanong sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, meron naman po tayong um, link no, sa description box. Either copy the link or click the link. You will be routed to my page. Type in your questions and then click submit. If you also want to avail no, personal reading or private reading, nasa comments, nasa description box po. So love and light, namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Capricorn. Hello, Cancer. Welcome to your reading. This is for June 8 to June 10. Ayan, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel po yun, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At Cancer, kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating or check no, yung ibang readings sa kabilang channel din po yun, no, Babaylan TV. Kung meron po kayong mga katanungan, mag-comment lang po as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Sasagutin po natin yan. So Cancer, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Cancer, for June 8 to June 10, parang may sisira, no, ng inyong sanity. Parang may sisira ng peace of mind. I feel like hindi ito inaasahan, no? Cancer. Hindi inaasahang balita, hindi inaasahang information. It felt like this feels so good, no, sa umpisa. And then all of a sudden, parang dito mo masasabi yung word na pinagsakluban ng langit at lupa. I don't like the energy of what's heading towards you because it felt like susubukan din ang faith mo with the 10 of Wands, the Tower. What did I say? No? And the 9 of Wands. So ang nakikita ko dito, parang siguro dito mo masasabi na ay oo nga, that's too good to be true. Ay oo nga 'no, masyado akong naniwala 'no. It felt like there's also a lot of promises here. Um, probably we can say that this is in relation to romance, or it can also be in a finances, no, or friendship. Ang nakikita ko dito, masyado tayo nagpadala, no? Kumbaga binilang natin ang sisiw nang wala pa yung itlog, no? With the 10 of Swords and the 2 of Pentacles. So hindi tayo nakinig, no, sa ating gut feeling, or sinasabi natin hindi tayo nakinig sa ating kutob, no? Nagpamatigasan tayo, no, sa no, hindi yan mangyayari, hindi to ganyan, no. Mas pinili nating maging risky. You know, being risky is sometimes good, no, especially if that is calculated. Pero dito, meron ka nang nakikitang writings on the walls, meron na mga red flags, but you insisted. I think that this will be a great learning, no, for you. With the King of Swords, the 2 of Cups. So, ang nakikita ko dito is and the Seven of Wands. Now, this may be not intentional, coming from the person who did you wrong. Pero, let's say, sabihin natin, the universe has its way for them to communicate with you and wanting you to avoid in a certain circumstances. Pero mas pinipili natin, kalabanin, no, yung mga yon, yung mga signs. And then, no, it's not going to happen. It may not be the first intention of the person, no? Hindi man yun yung sinasabi natin, ito ang pakay ko. Pero dumating dun sa part na it looks like it. Again, that's unintentional. With the Page of Wands and the Hangman, so dito mo masasabi na sana pala, no? Sana pala tinignan ko muna yung mga do's and don'ts, pros and cons, no? Masyado tayong nagpumili, no? Masyado nating pinush ang isang bagay na parang dito natin sasabihin na alam mo yung isang prutas, no? Na hindi pa niya season. Pero ang ginawa natin dito is kumbaga binuro natin. Hindi siya ganun katamis, yes. Pero hindi siya yung on peak, no? Hindi siya yung season na yon. Iba pa rin yung sweetness, no? Kapag nandun tayo sa right time. I feel like instead of maayos, either mas lalong gumulo or parang mas lalong tumagal, no? Yung pag-aantay natin, whether it is success, whether it is romance. I feel like if this is romance, I think that someone else probably got scared, no? Natakot sa sobrang bilis ng pwedeng mga pangyayari, no? Natakot sa mga pwedeng, sabihin natin dito with the Hangman na hindi pa siya ganun um, kaseryoso sa isang mga bagay. So, pinilit natin. Tapos, ang nakita ko dito parang instead na umayos sana, mas lalong nagkaroon ng issues, no? So, Cancer, this is your reading for now. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or this can be a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Scorpio, Leo, Cancer, pwedeng kapwa Cancer ito, Taurus, Virgo, Sagittarius, Aries, no? So this is your reading, Cancer. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel po yun. Kung gusto niyo pong i-view yung ibang readings, nasa kabilang channel din. So, kung meron po kayong mga katanungan sa comment section ng video na ito, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no, kung hindi po kayo masasatisfied sa yes or no lang, there's a link. Follow the instructions. We have a promotion and a discounted price, no? Para po sa mga questions. And kung gusto nyo mag-avail ng ating private reading, nasa kabilang, nasa description box po yan. So this is your reading, Cancer, love and light. Namaste. See you sa susunod na reading. Love and light. Goodbye. Hello Aries, welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for Aries June 8th to June the 10th, no? So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, sa kabilang channel din po yon. That is Babaylan TV, no? Nagla-live din po tayo sa kabilang channel. Ayan. Kung meron po kayong mga tanong, pwede po kayong magtanong sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So I want you to know, Aries, that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. take what's only yours. Aries, June 8 to June 10, ang nakikita ko dito parang kung anong meron bang force, no, or puwersa na kailangan mong gumawa ng isang desisyon. And I think that this decision is could be a life-changing event, a decision that will never happen again, or a decision that might probably really change your life. No, with the World card, the Moon card, and the Ten of Pentacles, I think that Aries merong opportunity dito na you have to set aside some parts of your aspects of your life, and you need to probably prioritize collecting money, no? So ito yung trabaho could be, no? And I'm also seeing here that you need to distance yourself, so which means na parang kailangan mong lumayo. Kaso may masasaktan tayo, kaya medyo naguguluhan tayo dito, no? Am I going to take the opportunity of probably a greener pasture? It could be chances are merong opportunities for you to go abroad. So you're thinking about it, and you're also thinking, paano naman yung person ko? No? Um, hindi ko, but I think here, kailangan mong gumawa talaga ng decision. No? With the Knight of Pentacles and the Magician, may mga hudyat dito na parang sinasabi mo, yung puso mo kasi gustong maiwan, no? Yung puso mo ayaw tanggapin yung opportunities kasi may masasaktan ka nga. Pero yung isip mo, when it comes to practicality, paano kung hindi na dumating itong opportunity na ito, no? Paano kung hindi na siya? So, the challenges in here is you're trying to buy more time, no? Pero hinihingi na ng pagkakataon yung decision mo, no? Kumbaga, hindi mo mabigay yung oo kasi iniisip mo yung may iwan. Hindi mo rin mabigay yung hindi dahil hindi mo rin kayang mawala yung opportunity. So, it's you're caught up in a decision, but I feel like, wow, whatever the decision it is, I think that there you go, the justice. Now, I wanted to know, it's really hard, the tower. Oh, okay. I think what I am seeing in here, kung magkakaroon ka ng decision, and if you wanted to stay, especially with the um, Knight of Pentacles, I feel like you are not going to take or have this opportunity again at mahihirapan kang kunin, no? Ang mawawala sa'yo. However, if you wanted to probably move forward, I am seeing a lot of money. There might also be another opportunities for you to love again. I am seeing here, chances are, sa pupuntahan mong lugar, no? It might be just sa kabilang kanto, no? Sa kabilang street, sa kabilang city, no? State, country. Um, Mag-iiba yung buhay mo. At hindi mo, kumbaga, you probably thought of having a better life, pero hindi mo aakalaing mangyayari ito sa ibang lugar. Yun nga lang, are you going to choose yourself or choose the person that you're gonna hurt? Um, I'm actually not in the position to make any decision here, and kung ako man yun nandito sa position mo, hirap na hirap ako, no? But then again, at the end of the day, no, whatever rocks your boat, I hope that makakamtan mo, no? Itong kasiyahan at sana magiging satisfied tayo, no? Sa ating magiging decision sa buhay. So, tingnan natin dito, Aries, ang zodiac sign ng person mo. This could be your sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Leo, Libra, Taurus, Sagittarius, Aries. I'm also seeing here Virgo, Capricorn, Pisces. So this is your reading for now, Aries. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo makaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading, meron po tayo dun sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. Meron din po tayong live session sa kabilang channel din po yon. And kung meron po kayong mga questions, there is a link in the description box. Click the link, you'll be routed to my page, type in your questions, and then click submit. Kung okay lang naman sa inyo ang yes or no na sagot, then sa comment section po, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And if you want to buy or probably purchased the private reading, nasa description box din po yan. So love and light to you. Namaste. See you on the next live or the next reading. Goodbye po, Aries. Hi Aquarius, welcome to your reading. So this is for Aquarius June 8 to June 10, no? So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, meron po dun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audiences, no? At nagla-live po tayo doon. Kung gusto niyo sumali, pwede po kayong, you're welcome, no? Pero kung hindi niyo po maabutan, dito po sa comment section, pwede po kayong magtanong as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So Aquarius, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours, right? So Aquarius, for June 8 to June the 10, nakikita ko dito na parang ayaw mo munang i-expose yung sarili mo, no? Ayaw mo munang sabihin, or ayaw ni kahit mag-post. Let's say sabihin natin nagtatago ka not because of utang, no? Ayaw makamingle kasi parang feeling mo you're being betrayed with people. You feel like you're under a surveillance, no? You feel like na yung mga tao sa akin lang nakatingin. You feel like you're being judged, no? You know that parang na-stress ka dito kasi may inaantay kang either pera or inaantay na tao. It's an energy that probably you couldn't wait anymore. This is the energy that probably you are waiting to bloom. It could also be a success for business, no? What I am seeing in here is parang nagigising ka pa nga sa gabi, no? I think that this is trauma, no? Na-trauma ka sa isang bagay, especially with a small group of people. It could be friends, it could be a family of your person or your own family. With the Knight of Wands and the Moon card, ang dami tuloy yung mga tanong sa isip mo na is my person really serious with the relationship? Ano pa kaya yung iba niyang kinikwento, no? Meron ba siyang mga shinare, no? Na hindi naman totoo, or kung totoo man na that's private. You're trying to search and find out what more. And I feel like that you have probably some information in here, and mas lalo kang na-stress. With the 10 of Cups and the Chariot, is it also that you would want to probably be with the person in a different place? Kasi ang nakikita ko dito, well, probably feeling mo na pagtutulungan ka sa loob ng isang bahay, so that's why you wanted to move out and want your person to be with you, no? With the Queen of Cups, the Three of Swords, and the Five of Pentacles. Wow. Ang hirap kasi ang nakikita ko dito, nasasaktan ka and you're staying, no? Kapag aalis ka naman, masasaktan ka rin kasi your person might not probably wanting to be with you. So, you don't have a choice. Kumbaga, you just have to choose the lesser evil. So, masasaktan ako. Would I rather want na masaktan ako together with the person who's beside me, or I'm leaving, ayoko nang masaktan. Um, pero kasi may iwan ko naman yung person ko. So, ako yung nanakit sa sarili ko, no? So, you catch the drift. Um, Kasi if you stayed, at least kasama mo yung person, no? Pero, nasasaktan ka because of, yung treatment ng other persons or other people, surrounding you. Um, Pwede naman natin yung i-end. You by removing yourself, from the kitchen, yung sinasabi natin. If the kitchen is too hot, then get out of the kitchen. So that's what you're trying to do. Removing yourself from the kitchen. But however, yung pag-alis mo, hindi rin naman kasama yung person. So, um, I hurted myself. So, hindi nga ako nasaktan ng ibang tao, nasaktan ko naman yung sarili ko. I think I do not have a choice, right, with the Six of Swords and the Ten of Pentacles. I feel like isa dito sa mga issue is yung parang sinasabi ng mga tao na nakapaligid sa'yo, you're depending on your person. I feel like kailangan mo dito ng sarili mong pagkakakitaan, para at least walang nasasabi yung mga tao, no? Kasi parang feeling nila, nagpapakasasa tayo, no? Sa pera ng kamag-anak nila. Ayan. So, this is your reading, Aquarius. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Taurus, Sagittarius, Capricorn. Um, I'm also seeing Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces. Sagittarius is very dominant. Leo, um, Virgo, no? Uh, yeah, Pisces also is dominant, and Leo. So this is your reading, Aquarius. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate. Hit the notification bell at kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, sa kabilang channel po yun, Babaylan TV. No? Again, Aquarius, maraming salamat. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading or susunod na live. Goodbye.